Hi everyone, I'm Ding Junhao, a PhD student. This is Dream Lab, designed for research and education in additive manufacturing. We major in the laser powder bed fusion. Various metal powders can be fabricated into the complex structures. We can design customizable models to satisfy the different requirements. For example, this bone scarf filled with TPMS structures can be modeled and fabricated. By tailoring the cell size, orientation, and thickness of lattice, we can adjust the porosity, density, and the modulus of the bone to match different bodies. Also, besides this, we can print other structures like heat sinks and the small thin structures like a mini Eiffel Tower. Its minimum feature size can be down to about 15 micrometers. And also the assembled components like the octopus. It is once forming without any post-processing. And on the other applications, we can print some personal protective equipment. This is a hip protector can be fabricated into the porous structure. As you can see, these novel structures can be more fitter and more breathable, but with the same energy absorption capability. We can print this three-dimensional QR code and hit it into a 3D map. Only those who get the coordinate K, namely the spatial angle, can recognize this QR code. Those are some of our works. Welcome to MAE COHK and welcome to Dream Lab.